technology, beauty, nature, love, marriage, skinny people, fat people. My name is Michael Jobs. I'm the founder and CEO, you can call me the CEO or anything, of Watermelon. Watermelon is like apple, but it's little bit cappier. Like, let me give you an example. Like, if when you go to an Apple store, things are like, no, things are complicated. Things are like, you will see everything in the line, you have to go search for a warranty bill. But when you search for pineapple, there's one skinny guy, he's a white guy, but he's African. Tell him he can fulfill your needs. You will go to him and say, I need that. Buy Watermelon X. Watermelon X. And when you go there, he will fulfill your need. My brother once told me, before he died, my brother Solomon, he said, Mika, don't worry about anything in your life. Things will go hard, things will come easy again, but nothing will stop you. That's why what I did was introducing the brand new Watermelon X. Sorry, my message. Yeah. Watermelon X is a brand new. There are a lot of features on this way Apple doesn't have. Let me tell you something. The first thing is when you buy an Apple, you have to be worried. What if your phone fell? You're going to be scratched. But we Africans, we have mindset. This is already cracked. So you don't have to worry if your phone falls, or you don't have to worry if you touch it. Anyway, you don't care. I will tell you right now in front of you if you want. But this is an interview, I cannot disrespect it like that. But it's already cracked, so when it falls, you don't have to worry about anything. We have another new feature. When your side chick messages you, or when your side chick or side sheet or whatever messages you, but you don't want them to know. You don't want your girlfriend or boyfriend to know. What you have to do, you can automatically, I will show you, you can automatically change the name from there to mom. Like your girlfriend will wake up and say, Bobby, who messaged you? You can say it's my mom from Africa, or she worried about me, what did I do? And we have another thing, anti-ugly camera. You see in Apple iPhone, in Apple, when you take a picture of yourself, when you take a selfie, can you look at your ugly face? Without the Snapchat filter, you are looking like my grandmother from Zimbabwe. What are you doing? What are you doing? Are you mad? With Apple iPhone, when you're taking selfie, without using a Snapchat filter, all of you are looking like my grandmother back in Zimbabwe. I don't know if I'm saying it correct, but with the Watermelon X, when you take selfie, you look something. Let me show you. I will show you now. Look at this. This is me right now with the Watermelon X. It makes you look better. Another feature, wait for it. Wireless headphones. What we did was we took the headphone, and you can use it as a wireless headphone. Let me show you how. Without wires. Look. This is the same as Apple, same, but the only difference is that this doesn't work. This is same like the Apple AirPods, except for Watermelon, it's the same thing, but except this doesn't work. So yeah, the new Apple Watch, the new Watermelon Watch, it's the same as Apple, or it's the same thing, but the only difference is you can wear it with yourself. Or look how fine it is. You can warm, you can do anything with it. It's safer. Your phone is with you. You don't have to worry like Apple. Maybe your phone will be lost in Zimbabwe and you'll be finding in Uganda. If I'm in Nigeria, my watch is with me in Nigeria, my phone with me in Nigeria. So you don't have to worry about that. We ask people around the world how you feel about this, because this phone is assembled in Africa, but it is made in California, which we don't give a damn about it. So we asked some of our people what they think about this phone. They really loved it. Show the footage to them.
It's broken. Is this?
It's horrible.
Name ID. Look in Apple. I see something in Apple using your Face ID. fingerprint. Are you mad? You are stupid. What is inside here? What is this company looking? Your name? What is this? We have the brand new featured future name ID. They say you don't have to show your ugly face or look like my grandmother from Zumbu where to open your face. Did you see your face in the mirror? They said if you have watermelon, you look exactly like Channing Tatum. But let me tell you something. Name ID is different. You take the name, you take the iPhone, you do. Nobody can open or watch. Vous voyez on yot way ugemubem or sas. Easy. Unlocked. Instead of putting your face ID, instead of putting your finger, what is this? Mad. We don't have brain. Come to Africa, we teach you everything.
Didn't you just use your face?
No, I use my name. You want to see again?
You just use.
Security, take him out. You are fired. Go out of here. You are not loyal to Watermelon's company. Take him out. Take out of here. I don't want you. So listen to me. Don't waste your time with the iPhone X. Don't waste your time with Apple. Apple is like what, $2,000, $1,000. But with us, you know how much is the watermelon? You will not expect. But not with the Watermelon X. So with the Watermelon X, you can pay me with anything. You can pay us with anything. We are customer service. You can, if you have Apple in your pocket, you can give me Apple. You can take the watermelon. You have watermelon. You get many features. You get the free watch. You get the headphone. Let me show. I thought it is the same thing except this doesn't work. Like I said, you can give me whatever. You have weed. You can give us. You don't. No. Nobody said no. Nobody. If you have weed, you can give us. It is all okay. We are Africans. We only believe in Chinaki. We are not like California things, or we are not like them. You give a banana, you give an apple. If you are satisfied, you can give me your car, I can give you a watermelon. It's easy. It's easy. Why are you wasting your time in Apple store? What is the use? And one thing different, I tell you, Apple give you warranty of 1 year, but we have a guarantee in our heart. That's why you don't give you any guarantee. We don't have bill, we don't have anything. You can just come, give and go. This has been our job mainly, to give people opportunities to live. Many people out there, they don't have $1,000, $2,000 to buy something. Maybe he has something, maybe he has an apple in the house, maybe you have anything else. We, Watermelon, we have said everything. Michael Jobs was with you. I am very, very happy you guys watch me. Me myself, I am the CEO, founder, manager, everything of Watermelon, principal, whatever of Watermelon. Michael Jobs, don't forget. And Watermelon. Think little bit shittier and cappier, but we don't care.